How to close nationwide account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can close your nationwide account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say that you have your nationwide banking account and then you would like to delete your bank account. Well, before you try to delete your bank account, one thing you have to make sure is to withdraw any funds or any money or amounts that you have, because after you delete it, you will not be able to get those funds back. And also keep in mind that you can't delete your nationwide bank account yourself. You have to contact the customer support. Now, in order to contact the customer support, we're going to open up our Safari browser, type in nationwide customer support in the search tab. Once we type in nationwide customer support, here right at the top you'll find the customer support number, which I'll also make sure to leave in the description box. You can just directly tap on the call this number option and tap the call option if you're from the UK, and then just let them know our representative is going to pick up. They will ask you for your bank account number and their name, and then from there on you should be able to delete your account after the verification process is complete. This way you'll be able to close nationwide account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.